Hey everyone, your friends at the Dashcam Store here with another unboxing video. Today's camera, the Thinkware F800 Pro, Thinkware's brand new premium dashcam system. Available in both 1 and 2 channel options, the F800 Pro is a fully featured and refined dashcam setup. Featuring Sony STARVIS image sensors for both front and rear cameras and an Ambarella A12 chipset. Recording in full HD 1080p with a very discreet and sleek design. The F800 Pro is an excellent choice for anyone looking for high quality with optimized night and parking mode features. A few differences between the F800 and the F800 Pro. First off, you can't find the F800 Pros in stores like Best Buy. It's only available via specialty retailers like ourselves. But more importantly, down to the specs. Only the F800 Pro supports 128GB memory cards. The F800 Pro also has a special parking mode that is designed to extend parked recording by reducing power, which I will get into detail about shortly. Lastly, and most importantly for some users, is that only the F800 Pro is cloud capable, a highly desirable feature set that I will expand upon towards the end of this video. Both cameras offer the same high quality video resolution and sleek design. If you're looking for something that has an advanced parking mode which maximizes runtime and card capacity, along with the cloud features such as geofencing, vehicle location, impact, parking, and traffic camera alerts, the F800 Pro might be perfect for you. The one-channel package comes with your camera and a minimal set of accessories, including a 12-volt power cable, a mount with 3M tape, 3 adhesive cable holders, a spare adhesive mount, a micro SD card, which can be either 32, 64, or 128 gigs, and an SD card adapter. You also have a USB micro SD card reader, and of course a user guide with some warranty information. The memory card pops right in here. You can also see where the mic is and the manual reset access port. Notice how the camera can slide right off the mount and how easy it is to adjust the lens angle. The power cable goes in here, and the secondary video, which is a USB form factor cable, goes here. On the top you have the manual record button here in the center, the power button, mic on and off, format your card, and this connects your Wi-Fi and will also help while setting up your initial connection. When you hit the Wi-Fi button, you'll be notified to connect to your Thinkware SSID, and the default password is 1234567889, which you can, or rather you should, change in your settings. You will need to download the Thinkware Cloud app in order to confirm your connection to the device.
Connected to a smartphone.
You will receive voice notifications along the way assisting you with your setup.
GPS connected.
When powered on, the GPS will show a solid blue. When recording, you'll see a solid red and green when you're connected to the Wi-Fi. The green will flash until you've opened your Thinkware Cloud app. See your owner's manual if your lights are flashing or not showing up at all. The front camera lens features a viewing angle of 140 degrees and supports video recording at 30 frames a second, and is also equipped with video enhancement technology like wide dynamic range, nighttime picture quality correction, and automatic exposure controls. The 2-channel package comes with everything included with the 1-channel, plus rear camera unit and rear camera cable. Like the front camera, the rear camera features a viewing angle of 140 degrees. The great thing about the Thinkwares is that you can buy the front camera now and have the secondary camera at any time, unlike several competitors that require you to purchase a set configuration from the start. The F800 Pro boasts numerous perks, such as Night Vision 2.0, which thoroughly illuminates all low-light environments such as dark alleys or parking lots. The F800 Pro uses image signal processing to record a clear, visible video in any situation, while driving or parked. The advanced energy-saving parking mode feature on the F800 Pro uses a third of the standard power consumption, which in turn provides 3 times the video recording time than the other dashcam parking modes out there. In this mode, instead of recording many useless files based strictly on movement in the front of the lens, such as trees swaying in the distance or cars passing by, it will only record a video file if there is a physical impact or bump to the vehicle. You can feel confident and safe with the F800 Pro mounted in your vehicle overnight. Couple of other cool features that the F800 Pro possesses are based on cloud functionality, similar to Blackview's over-the-cloud service. That's right, the F800 Pro is cloud capable. When enabled via a Wi-Fi hotspot being present in the vehicle, Thinkware's geofencing along with the vehicle location allow drivers, fleet managers, and parents to stay alert of their vehicle's location within a certain radial area, and also track speed and positioning on a map using the Thinkware Cloud app. Once an area has been set, push notifications will be sent to the owner of the vehicle, letting them know if their vehicle has exceeded the allotted radial area, ranging anywhere from 109 yards to 372 miles. You can also receive an alert based on driving impacts or even parking mode impacts. Great for keeping loved ones safe or protecting your valuable property. The F800 Pro will also keep you alerted of red lights and traffic enforcement cameras that you might be approaching as you drive, helping you cultivate safe driving habits. You can download updated red light camera database files directly from Thinkware and load them onto your F800 from time to time. Road safety warning alerts have also been incorporated to help keep you safe. Speed zone and traffic camera alerts, just to name a couple. Thinkware's F800 Pro has all the bells and whistles expected from a high-quality dashcam, such as local Wi-Fi, cloud capabilities, built-in GPS, 4 autonomous recording modes, high-resolution Sony STARVIS Full HD 1080p image sensors, nighttime picture quality correction, automatic exposure, wide dynamic range, wide viewing angle, audio, parking mode, voice notification, PC viewer, smartphone apps, and low power consumption. If you are looking for a high-quality and refined dashcam with a discreet design that is excellent at night and the best of the best in parking mode, look no further than the F800 Pro. This 1 or 2 channel camera system is ideal for consumers and businesses alike.
Now recording.